Hey folks, Joe here. So I decided to do a quick update to my 2020 seedling closet. I wasn't exactly happy with the light output, so I decided to double the lights, and I'm going to add a second rack. So again, I'm just kind of giving you a play-by-play on what I did. I got these Barrina strip lights from Amazon, and I'm removing the frosted covers just to try and intensify the amount of light that's actually hitting my plants. Oh yeah, baby. Nice. Alright, so this is a little rack system that I got from Sam's Club, actually. It's I think it might have been a clearance. I just happened to see it online, but any sort of wire rack would do. This just so happens to match the one that I've already got in the closet. As you can see, I'm putting it together. These shelves they're fully adjustable. They're a little quirky the way you adjust them. They've got these little plastic sleeves that the shelves actually sit down on, but it does work. And for the price point, can't complain. Alright, so I made some room in the closet, and now we're getting the rack in place. These top shelves are fully adjustable. The goal is kind of get them close to the lights, but then also to have the ability to move them up and down as needed. And it's also going to be nice having options where I can have one rack up higher than the other one if needed, if I start seeds at different times. So right now I'm just staggering the lights, trying to get full coverage, just using plastic zip ties. These lights do put off a little bit of heat, but it's not bad at all. I mean, it's if anything, it just helps to warm up the closet even more. I may actually not have to run all my heat mats. Alright folks, I think I'm all set. After doubling the lights and adding a second rack, I think my little seedlings are going to be nice and happy. Can't wait. Alright, this is just kind of roughed in with the 3.5-inch pots. So basically this setup is going to allow me to have 54 plants in 3.5-inch pots before I plant them outside. So I'm able to fit 3 nursery trays full of little 3.5-inch Duro pots. And I'll go over all this equipment in a future video. But for now, it's just kind of roughing it in. It would be nice if the lights went all the way across. They don't, but as long as I diligently rotate the plants, which I do plan to do, I think they'll be fine. I don't think that I'm going to have leggy problems. But we shall see. Can't wait. Please stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to start germinating some seeds, and I'll go over my plans for the 2020 garden. Let you know what I'm going to do and also what I'm going to be growing. Man, it's hard to contain the excitement. Peace, y'all.